So the Ford Explorer let us buy. Yay. So new video. We're on Tennessee 30. This is part 3, 10:58 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Current temperature is 79 degrees. The high today is supposed to get to be like 92 with a feels like of 97. And the humidity is supposed to be just awful. But if you watched my part 2 video, I told y'all if you there's something in this area y'all want to see, a road that you guys want me to go down and video it for you, just drop it in the comments. If you like the content you're seeing, give me a big old thumbs up. It helps. Thumbs up and comments. I guess somebody said the algorithm moves the video higher in placement. I don't know. Subscribing helps. If you subscribe to my channel, it helps you get my content as I post it. But again, I'll apologize because I post everything. If I'm working on something at the house and I think that somebody might want to try it out, I post a video. I do a video. And I will tell you, all my videos are monetized. And I think I'm over 600 videos right now with my tens and tens and tens of followers. I do not make $300 a month from Google, so I don't know how people get rich off YouTube. But I'm not making much money off YouTube. YouTube pays me enough in a year to buy a new camera, and that's about it. Which, this is a new camera that you're watching this video on right now. I mounted this camera last week. It is the same as my old camera except version 2. It is the Sena 10C Evo, 10 Charlie Evo. Right now they are on sale on the Sena website for $251 and $22 shipping and handling. Mine has a 128 gig memory stick in it, memory card. If you're considering it and you're buying yours, if you're buying off Amazon, it's about, I think it's just over $270 for this camera. Do not buy a Samsung or what's the other one? SanDisk memory stick for it. Just go ahead and buy the generic one of the generic ones. I think Sena has a warning on their webpage that the Samsung memory sticks, Samsung or SanDisk, one of the two, does not work well. I'm going to say it's SanDisk doesn't work well with this camera, because I believe I do have one Samsung memory stick. But after Samsung did me wrong with my refrigerator warranty, you can watch that video also. Shameless plug. I refuse to buy anything Samsung for the rest of my life. Samsung does not honor their warranty. So just a heads up, Samsung does not honor their warranty. But yeah, I got about maybe 4 years. I want to say I bought my 10C Evo version 1 right around COVID. When COVID hit, I tried to spend a lot more time on a motorcycle. And that one died. It didn't die, it works great. Everything works great except the camera on button. So I ended up buying a new one. Have it more than anything. The Sena cameras, the Sena communication thingies seem better than the Cardo. All the retardos who I ride with all went on Amazon and bought the Cardo communication devices, but I didn't see one. I don't think I saw any that had a camera, and if they did have a camera, I don't think any of them were 4K. But I looked at Sena and I looked at some of the Sena reviews, and I want to say my first Sena camera, my 10C Evo, I think my first one was over $400. So when I saw the version 2 for $250, under $300, I was very happy, and I was quick to pull the trigger to buy it. So you guys can see content like this, of me rambling on and babbling on about a motorcycle camera. And I personally think it sounds okay. Because as I'm riding my motorcycle, I'm sitting here talking, and when I listen to it later, my voice sounds, well, the voice comes through clear. I can't tell you my voice sounds okay. I sound like a big dummy from Florida who moved to North Carolina. Look at these turns. Look at this turn. Look down the mountain. Look at that. Who doesn't want to ride that? There's some really nice houses out here also, and let me just remind you, this is rural. This is rural. This is rural Tennessee. We're heading to Tellico Plains, but we are not close to Tellico Plains right now. We're still a good 10-15 minutes away. These people have a long ways to go to get to Walmart.